actually start using AI in 2026 without feeling overwhelmed. This video is going to save you hours of frustration because the truth is most people are using AI wrong. They jump between random tools, copy bad prompts from the internet, and still don't know which app to use for writing, research, design, video, or voice. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the best tools for beginners in 2026, the exact ones I'd start with today if I was starting from zero. And if you stay until the end, I'll be sure to tell you which tools are the best all around for beginners. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my goal is simple. Is to help you use AI in a way that actually saves you time, makes you more productive, and helps you build your projects faster. This is not going to be one of those videos where I throw 50 tools at you and leave you more confused than when you started. Instead, I'm going to give you the beginner AI stack for 2026, the tools that are easiest to use, the most useful in real life, and also the ones that are worth learning fast. So let's get into it. Start with, I'd say the very first one is ChatGPT. It's been around since 2022, and this is the easiest all-round AI tool for beginners because you can use it for writing, brainstorming, explaining ideas, helping with code, and also even analyzing files, right? As you can see here, it has a plus sign, right? So you can always add files, photos, or do web search. And you can pretty much ask it for whatever you need and be sure to give you all the resources that you need. ChatGPT is available on the free plan, and the latest models are often available for free too with usage limits, so you can start without paying anything. If you only learn one AI tool first, then I'll definitely recommend ChatGPT. Use it when you need a quick draft, simple explanations, or just a simple second brain. It's also pretty amazing at generating code. Second, I would recommend Google Gemini. This is a great choice if you already use Google Docs, Gmail, or Google Workspace because Google keeps improving Gemini as a connected assistant across its products, right? So it's essentially useful when you want help with writing, research, and everyday productivity, especially when you're already using products such as Google Sheets and docs, right? Because it gets integrated into those products as well. Um, let's look at the third one, and this is really important if you're more interested in research. So Perplexity is different because it's built in a way to search the live web and also show citations, right? Which makes it very much easier to verify what you're reading, right? And if you want to know what's true or what's current and where the information came from, Perplexity is one of the best beginner tools to learn. I use it often if I want um, fast answers that actually have sources that I can verify as opposed to vague um, LLM answers that you would expect in other places. The next one is essentially the Notebook LLM, and this one is by Google. I'll just go ahead and open it up here. Um, Notebook LLM. All right. So um, this one isn't necessarily just another chatbot. It's also its research from the grounded truth that you provided, right? So it works from the materials that you gave it, like the PDFs, notes, and documents, and it answers with citations from the sources. So this makes it perfect for students, creators, and essentially anyone trying to learn something deeply, but from trusted sources they can rely on. So if you're a student, for example, and you were wanted to essentially write an essay from a couple of PDFs you've been reviewing throughout the semester, then definitely this makes it the best choice for you. Um, All right, the next one will be Microsoft Copilot, and this will be a good alternative for Gemini, especially if you use Microsoft products. And this one is great as well because it is in a way applied across most of Microsoft's ecosystem, right? So if you use Outlook or Windows, Excel, PowerPoint, or Word, you're able to access it. And Microsoft offers a free baseline, so you're able to use most of this for free, and you can see all this being its functionalities. And you can also access it within Excel and pretty much prompt it to analyze your data or within Word to make quick drafts and all other things that you do on the day-to-day basis. The next one is Claude. This one has taken off a whole lot over the last couple of years, and Claude is really especially good for writing, analysis, and longer form thinking. And its workflow makes it really useful for creating and editing structured outputs. Um, so it's definitely a great choice, especially if you tend to do lots of writing. um, Cloud Code is one of the latest products, and I think they're putting a lot of focus on this one as well. It's currently one of the most used for vibe coding and also enterprise software development solutions. So definitely be sure to check it out. You can check its pricing. They do offer APIs for developers and folks with building projects. So if you want to build applications with wrappers and all that. That's they do offer all of that, but we're not going to go into much of that because that is for later. The next application, or essentially tool I recommend is ElevenLabs. This is the easiest tool on this list for realistic AI voiceovers, right? So that's essentially text to voice generation. Um, Its text-to-speech tools are designed to turn text into lifelike speech in many languages, right? So if you had something in English and you wanted to translate it to another language, you're able to. And as you can note right here, there is essentially a drop-down that allows you to choose different languages, and you can um, always apply them once you're done or download whatever you've written down. So this makes it handy, especially if you run podcasts and you don't have the time to be able to sit through them. So once you've done your research, you can pretty much upload most of your content, and then it will just be able to convert it to text for you. I mean, speech for you. Um, I wouldn't. I guess this list wouldn't be full if we did not include content creators, because I know there's a whole lot of you there. This is one of the most beginner-friendly video editors because it has practical features like auto captions and script video workflows. Its tools are designed to essentially help you speed up your editing and help you turn a rough idea into a publishable video faster. So, if you want to make shorts or TikToks or simple long form edits without a steep learning curve, then definitely CapCut would be the tool that I would recommend to you to learn fast. So, if this video helped, drop a like, subscribe, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one.